This poem I'm gonna do is called Sick. I am sick, no jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Tony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promotes me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If I never social media, you probably would have never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. Sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. A Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who are you argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to do. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news and fake information. So I'm sick and confused with fake education. Amaziyah the great views. We live in among a sick generation. So I have a book out, it's on Amazon, it's called Don't Cry. I'm gonna do that poem. I dedicate it to my kids and my parents. Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside the church. Listen this, I will not quit, even if me have to keep crawling on the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry, you try to make things work. You're my first hero, you motivate me to serve. Son of a bar thinking I failed, Dad, I value your worth. You inspire me immensely, Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry, they never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merge. It's not like my sales boosting online, honestly at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me, I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm gonna break this generational curse. Don't cry. And the final one before I go real quick. It's called For Our Children to Know. Because many a times I look and I see a lot people out there say they're doing music and they're not inspiring our youth. Too much negativity from social media. So this one is called For Our Children to Know. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You will encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, when I discuss and I mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face when I lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for position. Rather empower you in this case. Somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes. The reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a blessed face. Blessings and respects. A pleasure being here. Thank you very much.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah the great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise are going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah the great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.